Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You're ready. Check Android version and confirm mobile data is active. Once done, decide whether to use private DNS Android 9 and up or modify APN settings for older builds. Make sure you can edit network profiles and if not, have a DNS changer app installed before proceeding. Now open Settings, tap Network and Internet, and locate Mobile Network. This begins the actionable path. You're not configuring anything, yet beyond preparing access and deciding which method you will use. Now configure the DNS. If using private DNS, tap Private DNS, select Private DNS Provider Hostname, and enter the provider's hostname exactly. Save and apply. For APN editing, open the APN profile, tap Edit, then populate DNS1 and DNS2 if present, or add values in the proxy or server fields where carriers allow. Save and restart the mobile connection. If you chose an app, open it. Accept the VPN permission when prompted. Then enter numeric DNS servers and enable. Finish by restarting mobile data or rebooting the phone so the new DNS takes effect. Once restarted, verify by loading several websites and using a DNS check app to confirm queries resolve through the new provider. If pages fail to load or you lose connectivity, revert the change immediately, clear network settings, or reset the APN, and try a different DNS hostname or numeric server. A single troubleshooting tip. If private DNS fails, switch to an app-based DNS client to sidestep carrier APN restrictions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.